Sometimes we're more connected to computer screens than we are to each other. That's why Black+Decker is here for those moments when you become inspired to reconnect with the people you love. We introduce to you our new 13-amp 7¼ circular saw with laser cut line guide. The laser cut line guide provides you with added confidence to make clean and accurate cuts on plywood, 2x4s, and more. Also equipped with a convenient spindle lock, making adjustments to your blade is easy, so you can focus on other important details of your project. The Black+Decker 13-amp circular saw with laser cut line guide. Cut with confidence and reconnect with the things that matter.